The history of Gaza is rich, complex, and deeply rooted in ancient civilizations. Here's a concise overview. 1. Ancient origins, 3000 BCE, 332 BCE. Gaza dates back to ancient Canaanite times, mentioned in records as early as the 14th century BCE. It became a significant Philistine city and later part of the empires of the Egyptians, Persians, and Greeks. 2. Roman and Byzantine period, 332 BCE, 636 CE. Gaza came under Roman rule in 332 BCE, followed by Byzantine control. It prospered as a key trading hub along the Via Maris, an ancient trade route. 3. Islamic conquest and Ottoman rule, 636 CE, 1917. In 636 CE, Gaza was captured by Muslim forces led by Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab. The Ottomans ruled Gaza from the 16th century until World War I. 4. British Mandate and Egyptian administration, 1917 to 1967. After World War I, Gaza came under British administration as part of the League of Nations Mandate. Following the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, Egypt administered Gaza. 5. Israeli occupation, 1967 to 2005. In the 1967 Six-Day War, Israel captured Gaza from Egypt and began occupying the territory. Israeli settlements were established in Gaza, leading to tensions with the local Palestinian population. 6. Disengagement Plan, 2005. In 2005, Israel unilaterally withdrew its troops and settlers from Gaza, dismantling settlements in a plan known as the Gaza disengagement. 7. Hamas rule and blockade, 2007-present. Following the disengagement, Hamas, an Islamist political organization, gained control of Gaza after a violent conflict with Fatah, a rival Palestinian faction. Since 2007, Gaza has been subject to an Israeli and Egyptian blockade, impacting its economy and daily life. 8. Ongoing conflict and humanitarian challenges, present. Gaza has experienced several conflicts between Hamas and Israel, resulting in significant human suffering and infrastructure damage. It remains a focal point of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict and a humanitarian concern. 9. Present-day context. Today, Gaza is a densely populated enclave facing numerous challenges, including high unemployment, limited access to resources, and political instability. The history of Gaza reflects the complex interactions of various civilizations and the enduring struggles faced by its residents. Understanding this history is crucial for comprehending the contemporary dynamics in the region. Dear viewers, we wanted to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude for being a part of our YouTube community. Your support means the world to us. If you've enjoyed our content, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an update. Additionally, sharing our videos with your friends and leaving a comment with your thoughts and suggestions would mean so much to us. Once again, thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Your support keeps us going. Warm regards.